Good morning. Today we are going to talk about midpoint method. Before that, kindly refer to my Instagram post for the general formulas and the question. From the previous question, we have discussed Heun method. Today we are going to discuss about midpoint method. So from this question, if you have solved the previous question, you may be familiar with this question. Referring to the previous question, the interval is given between 1 and 3. And then our job task is to find y1, y2, y3 and y4. And we know that x1, x2, x3, x4 will be adding 0.5. So in this question, we are going to solve the question by using midpoint method. This is the general formula. If you would like to refer to the general formula of Heun method, you may refer to my Instagram post. So from the time series, we know that 4 iterations needed. For the first iteration, we will do the same thing, same with the Heun method. We will find K1 and K2. After finding K1 and K2, we will substitute and find Y1. Do the same thing for second iteration. If you still remember the answers for Heun method, you will realize that the value of y is a bit different as compared to Heun method, but the value differ is quite small. And then the procedure is the same. For third iteration, we will repeat the same procedure. For fourth iteration, repeat the same procedure. In my next video, I will show you the last second order or RK2, which is the Ralston method in my next video. Stay tuned.